Hi everybody, Lady Steam here. Once again, I get to be the one to tell you all about the unboxing for box 12 of the Box of Making. We're really excited to get to do this for you tonight. Just so you know, our new set's not quite done. We're rebuilding the shop again from the disaster that struck a few months ago. We're getting close though, and so we thought we'd use the spot where we'll be anyway, even though not everything is up and quite in place yet. Anyway, box 12 of the Box of Making. I cannot believe we've made it to 2 years worth of boxes. We themed this box home, and we wanted to put some projects in it that we thought you'd really be excited to both make and to enjoy in your home as well. So let's take a quick look at the contents of this box. As usual, we've got a thank you letter, and once again, I'm going to say the same thing I always say, which is we really, really appreciate your business and your faith in us. We could not do this without you. We've also got some additional pieces of paper and instructions. The video link is here, so you probably already know about that. But we do have a sheet in this list that talks all about the pieces and parts of each of the kits. So if you don't want to wait for the video and look through the pieces in the video, you can certainly get the list from there. And also a coupon is in here for a discount good through the end of September. I'm going to put those aside and show you what the 3 projects are in our box this time. On the top of your box, you'll find this one that's labeled Bedside Valet. I'm not sure if it's going to end up on your bedside table or someplace else, but we wanted to do a fun little phone holder. Should have enough place to set your cell phone on it and to be able to put your watch over the top. If you've got a smartphone, I think you'll be able to maybe put your smart glue or attach your smartphone charger right there. That's my current plan for mine anyway.
Smart watch.
Smart watch. Yes, Professor. I'm sorry. Too many smart devices. Too tired. I also thought this would look nice either for your glasses, as a little hook for your glasses, or for a necklace you don't want to lose. Your rings will probably also fit over it. And then you've also got this space obviously down below for some other things as well. It's kind of a fun little piece, and I think you're going to like it a lot as something that's just becomes a beautiful decorative part of your home. And then the next thing in the box is this geared light switch. People have been asking for years if we're the people who make the geared light switches, and we're not. But we wanted you to be able to have a geared light switch kit, so we invented one anyway, just for you. It's using a linkage mechanism, so we're going to put this together, and it's something you're really going to like, I think, as a way to turn on and off the light in your room. It's got the same kind of theming in it as the Valet, so things are going to match and feel very similar between the two of them. And then finally, we've included a perpetual calendar. Now, I know everybody has a calendar on their wrist and on their phone and everywhere else, but sometimes you just want a pretty wood calendar to hang on your wall. So this one you'll be able to spin to adjust the day and date. Moving forward, you'll also be able to slide the month bar and slide the day, rotate the day bar here as well. So a set of planetary gears that are actually kind of squeezing it together to hold it in place. And we'll walk through a video of how to assemble this. Our art supply in this box is one I've been wanting to do for you. It's a set of 3 of the Sharpie metallic pins. They're come in brass and copper and silver. They're really pretty pins, so I think you're going to do some fun things with that on these projects, as well as on other pieces that you're working on. In addition to all that, we've got spare screws, pin test wood, sandpaper, and last but not least in your box, the usual super glue. So sit back, relax, and get ready to make some really fun projects with us.